periodic table notes, page 55, taking a look at the directions or how to interpret some information on the periodic table. The periodic table has two major directions. So the first thing that we're going to look at are the periodic table groups. These are known as elemental families. So on the periodic table, okay, we have 18 element groups or 18 element families. These are the vertical columns that go top to bottom. So whenever we are talking about an elemental group, we start at the top of the column and we work our way to the bottom. Elements in the same vertical column or group share similar physical and chemical properties because they tend to have the same number of valence electrons. So each vertical column elemental family has a name and a set of similar traits. So let's just take a quick look. So if we talk about lithium, as we talk about the Bohr diagram, we know lithium has 3 protons and an atom has 3 electrons. So we put 2 on the first energy level and then we put the third. So lithium has 1 valence electron. So 1 valence electron. And in that same group or column as lithium, we have sodium. So sodium's a little bit bigger. It has 11 protons in its nucleus, and it has 11 electrons as an atom. So the first 2 of the 11, energy level 1. Then we move on to the second energy level, and we place 8 more electrons. Okay, so now we have a total of 10 electrons placed, so that means that we've got to go and utilize the third energy level and place our final and last electron. So sodium's last occupied energy level, number 3, has 1 valence electron. So both lithium and sodium, 1 valence electron. That makes them share lots of similarities, especially in chemical properties. Now, the other direction on the periodic table are the periodic table periods. These are also known as elemental series. And when you look at the periodic table, there are a total of 7 horizontal rows, and those we look at from left to right, like you're reading a book, you're reading a sentence off of a page, okay? And elements in the same period have the same number of energy levels, so EL from our previous unit is energy levels, occupied by electrons. Okay, so sodium and phosphorus, Na and P, are in, so here is sodium and here is P for phosphorus, and notice they both are in period 3, which means that they have electrons in the first, second, and third energy level. So if you look up above, sodium, it has those 11 protons, 2 in the first, 8 in the second, and its last electron is in the third. Where phosphorus, a little bit bigger atom, it has 15 protons, so its atom has 15 electrons, 2 in the first. It has 8 in the second energy level, so, and its last 5 electrons are in the third. So sodium and phosphorus, they have the same valence energy level number. Both of them, their last energy level that is occupied by electrons is number 3.